Hey! Hey, what's up, Hacker Nation? It's me, Hacker, and I'm back with another video. And I'm here playing with my cousin,
Wolf, Mega Wolf.
Mega Wolf, and he's in Sandbox right now. Let me just go join him.
My name's Wolf and Mega Wolf. On this, it's Mega Wolf.
Wait a minute. Oh, crap, I have to invite you. Give me a minute.
Oh, crap, I did that wrong.
That's to play, and I'll wait in Sandbox for you. Mega, I just sent you yeah, I did.
Oh, you to fight? Are we gonna fight each other?
No, I'm going in Sandbox. Oh, crap. There's too many people here. Too many people. Oh, crap.
Let's get to the sandbox at the same time.
Give me a minute. Alright. Okay, somebody just left. Join. Somebody just left. Join. Hurry. There's so many online players today.
Lift your hand.
Not as much there is at night.
He's not waving his hand, guys. Yo, you're not in here.
Yeah, I am. Where are you?
I can't find you.
Somebody hit me.
It says
You're not in here.
Cartery, Y, Expedition, Alex, Jeffy, Link.
You're not in here.
I'm in the sandbox. Mega Wolf has just joined.
Yeah, you're not. I don't see you. Your name hasn't popped up.
Okay,
I think you're too low of a rank for me.
I'm only one rank off. Dude, I'm just gonna go play some battling.
Me too. Am I a bear?
Are you a bear?
I'm a bear. I'm a bear. I accidentally pushed the bear button. I'm a snuggly bear. Somebody hug me. Guys, comment down below. Hashtag Snuggles. I just literally pushed the bear icon.
Hashtag bear.
Hashtag bear. Hashtag bear Snuggles.
I'm gonna go play sandbox.
I'm gonna give random people hugs. Snuggles. Hugs. Okay, who does not want to get hugged from a bear?
Me?
Oh yeah, actually, no, who doesn't want to get hugged, by a cute, fluffy, snuggly bear?
Not me.
And why?
I said not me.
And I said, why not you?
Yo, there's a bear hugging me.
What the heck you talking about? I'm not hugging anybody.
There's still a bear.
Whee!
I'm gonna be a bear. Guys, comment down below. Hashtag bear takes over the world pretty soon.
Hashtag bear takeover.
Yeah, hashtag bear takes over the world.
No, just sit by me. Come here.
I'm gonna take over the world one day.
Hashtag bear world.
Hashtag bear takes over the world. My bear's gonna take over the world.
Hashtag bear world.
I'm a big fat bear.
I'm a Care Bear.
Too bad I can't look at myself.
I can't freaking see. Where the heck are you? Oh yeah, I forgot.
Ooh, I'm gonna use wings. Hashtag bears can fly.
Hashtag Red Bull gives me wings.
Hashtag bears can fly now, guys.
Why the heck are we even doing hashtags now?
Hashtag bears are gonna fly to universe. Ooh, let's use that. I don't even know what that is. Oh, I'm a hashtag bears heads get fat. My head is so big, guys, that it sucks because. You okay? He's crying.
No, he's not. He's good.
What's his name? Hi, Sam. Come here.
Okay, I'm gonna join some random fights.
Sam. Say hi. Hi, Sam. Say hi to the YouTube. Say hi. Say hi. Guys, he's just raising his hand, so he said hi.
Yeah.
My bear can fly now.
I have no idea why I'm giving hashtags anymore. And guys, I'm gonna do a Q&A video pretty soon. And plus, if you want to look up my cousin's YouTube channel, his name is Wolf. Okay, let me just... Snowballs.
What?
Shotgun, snowballs.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna go get it right now.
Alright. Alright, I'm in a random fight. I don't think we can join each other just yet. I think you just need to level up. Are there? Oh, there's enemies on. Alright.
Hashtag Tyson says hi a lot.
Okay, just stop giving hashtags now. You're just ruining the channel.
What? He says, all he does is go, hi, hi, hi.
Get back here. I can't move. Why can't I? Wait. Why can't I move? Okay, there we go. There we go.
Yeah, hashtag Angel can't move forever. Dude, no,
Shooting him down.
Deathmatch.
There we go. Oh, flip.
Let's see.
Nope.
Guys, where shall we go? Guys, comment down below for next place. Shall I go to look at all of these?
Mega?
Comment down below. Where shall I go?
Mega.
Yeah.
This is how people tell you're a big noob at YouTubers.
How?
Being a YouTuber.
How?
You just hashtag everything. Freaking comment down below where should I go.
Hashtag tag. Go over to his channel and go hashtag and blow up his channel.
Hashtag hag. What?
I said go and say hashtag at your channel until his
bam.
thing blows up. Let's use our mini go. Ah, die!
Okay. Oh, I'm running. Oh, flip.
Oh, well, that dog teleported to New York today.
Oh, he blowed me up.
Oh, hashtag you died.
Okay, just stop with the hashtags. It's annoying. It's annoying.
No, boy, how did you die? I'm about to say another hashtag.
No more hashtags.
If I get 10 kills, I get to say another hashtag.
Hashtag boy for life.
Hashtag this gun's beast.
I'll flip that. Nope. If you want to kill me, you have to catch me.
Yoy! Oh, what? I blew myself up. That's so bullcrap. Hashtag.
Oh crap! Not again.
I'm not gonna say hashtag.
Okay, I blew up his pet. All right, where is he?
Oh, dude, I blew myself up.
All right.
Yo, hold out this sniper, dude.
Sniper rifle buff.
Oh my goodness, I want to say.
Okay, get back here.
Some hashtags.
No more hashtags, please.
I want to say hashtag.
No more
This
hashtags.
is the only time in my video I've ever said hashtag.
I said no more hashtags. I just said that now. No more hashtags. Hashtag limit is off.
Yo, this guy's such a noob.
This guy has freaking awesome guns.
This guy's such a noob.
I am dead. I am dead. I am dead. I survived.
I'm dead. He's shooting missiles at me.
What level are you again? Did you level that up?
13. No, I'm still middle mech. If I get 12 kills, I get to say hashtag I'm better than Angel.
Just stop. Just stop hashtagging everything. It's just done.
Yo, bro.
Just stop.
Die, bruh. Bruh.
Just stop
Die.
hashtagging everything. It's just stupid.
Bro, you stole my kill. How?
That's
Bro,
a high
thing
ranker.
Beast.
That's a high ranker.
That thing destroyed me. That thing
You just got killed by a high ranker.
I'm gonna kill Mac.
You can't kill a high ranker. They're
Yeah,
like gods.
What? What? That's.
You just
I'm
got
enraged.
you literally just got killed by a high ranker.
I feel like you can kill high ranker.
How are you?
Oh,
Good.
face.
All right.
You have a joke with me. It's time to pull out the bad boy. Get killed by a high ranker.
You can't kill a high ranker. They're tougher than you.
I'm gonna kill that high ranker.
You're a noob anyway. You're gonna get killed by a high ranker.
No dip. If he hits me, then I'm dead. Hey, you're a noob. You can't even get killed.
At least I'm not getting killed by a high ranker.
Oh, hey, you would if you heard my name. Well, so if I kill this high ranker, say hashtag I'm better than anyone.
Just stop doing the hashtags. It's just getting annoying now.
What? How did I?
What kind of weapon do I want?
What? Look to your back. Bruh, how can't I kill anyone?
Because you suck.
My life is terrible.
Um,
Well, yeah, the high ranker left. Let's go. Now I'm the high ranker. Get wrecked, boy.
are you sure you're the high ranker? Those guys
Yeah.
have more powerful weapons than you do.
Now if I have a minigun.
Let me just...
Yo, guys, I took my third. It says I'm third. No, guys, I lost.
Let's see if I
I
need
took
any.
last. This is embarrassing. I shouldn't even press this.
I need a.
Bye,
Never
guys.
mind.
See you in the next video. Peace.
Oh, and you guys can tell there is a
It's 11 minutes. Yeah.
there is an update on this Pixel Gun game thing. It's kind of like Fortnite.
Oh yeah, Fortnite.
I don't know why the creators added Fortnite to this, but it kind of resembles it, but still, it's awesome.
Go subscribe to me. I got barely any subscribers because I forgot to post for like 3 months in a row.
Yep.
All my subscribers hate me and they unsubscribe.
I have to wait for freaking 15 minutes before we go on another video.
Why?
I mean, not 15 minutes until we get in this thing. I'm stupid.
Guys, I suck at YouTubing.
Just call yourself with the hashtag king for now on.
I'm a hashtag king. Hashtag, how'd you get into that? Hashtag, are you still in Pixel Gun Game?
And guys, I'm gonna do a Q&A video pretty soon. If you guys have any questions for me, I'll feel free. Oh,
Guys.
freak! That's a lot of people. You can see a lot of people
Are you
dropping.
playing Fortnite?
It's kind of like Fortnite.
Is that on Pixel Gun Game?
What did I just say?
Yeah. Okay, where's it at? Is it in clans? I
No.
don't have a clan. Is it in friends?
No.
Is it in minigames?
Yes.
Minigames?
Not many games. Crap, I forgot. Come on, open it.
How dare you?
I got a flamethrower. I'm stupid.
What's it called?
One of the noobest weapons to
Is it
get on this.
Aryan?
No, it's not on mini games.
What? Is it on leaderboard? Oh,
Hey,
yeah,
man,
I'm third in my leaderboard.
Man, I know the same amount as you do.
Ah, dang it. Hackers first. I'm at second. Haha, you're second on my leaderboard. Oh my goodness, first is so good.
I don't care. Man, stop. Man, just stop.
Holy crap, I'm 34. Let's go look for hacker.
You can't join me on this game because the game already started. Oh,
No.
good thing the wait, let me just check on the map here. Nobody out here.
Where's hacker at on here, dude? Like,
I need to
can
find
only
some
I
weapons
can
around
only
here
find
somewhere.
myself. No, where's hacker at?
But please, just stop gloating about your stupid self.
I'm looking for your name on here. I can't find your name.
And plus, what kind of person that gloats they're better than them? That's just stupid. Okay, I know this place is ranked with...
Yo, it's in army, right? Dude, it's in army. It has to be in army. No.
Oh, pro weapon. Okay, got a pro weapon.
I get all the pro weapons.
Alright,
That's why I have 0.
got this guy. Alright, let me just get
Dude,
all
I
these
don't care
weapons
about
here.
you.
Minigun. Nope. Okay, let's get out of here.
Ooh, I got another egg.
Yeah, that's what happens if you, kill people.
Oh. Whoa, dude, if I download
So many
this
people are
game,
dropping.
If I download this game, I'll get 316 eggs. That's awesome.
Never mind. Do whatever you want, I don't care.
I'm the best YouTuber in history. I'm better than Logan Paul and Jake Paul. I'm better than Ninja at Fortnite.
I highly doubt that you're the best YouTuber. The best YouTubers are, Vanos, Logan Paul, Vanos Gaming, Jacksepticeye,
Jake Paul.
freaking...
Deji sucks. Everyone calm down. Jake Paul beat Deji and Logan Paul beat KSI. If you don't, I will never.
Why are you...
subscribe to you guys.
Never mind, whatever, never mind.
Ooh, a penguin!
Okay, I have full health,
Train.
half of a shield. I just got a pro weapon right here,
Ooh,
so I
trained
got
my
14, let me just switch to my shovels
Where's
so I
the
don't
thing
look.
at? Show me where the thing's at. Oh, going back. Okay, what's it called? My Royale. How do I not know that?
Because you're a noob.
Nuh-uh. I don't play this.
Alright,
This
let's
is like my
just
15,000 million
jump down
days.
here. I wonder if there's any chests in that house over here.
Sorry guys, I don't record like 20-30 minute videos like Hacker does sometimes.
Let me just get to this house over here, see if there's any chests in them.
Oh, I should quit. It won't let me.
Oh, nope.
Nope, there better be 100 people in here. If Ninja's not in here, I'm gonna leave. Because I won't embarrass Ninja.
Who the heck are you talking about?
Ninja is the best Fortnite player in history. Don't you know that? I'm gonna add all these people as my friend, guys.
I don't think you have enough time because there is only like 3 minutes until you start the game. Oh, flip! I'm turning around. The storm's coming.
Come on, let me add this last guy. No.
What the heck are you talking about? There's no... Okay, first of all, no Fortnite players will play Pixel Gun game. And plus, if they did, you would have been screwed over because they already know how to play this game.
Guys, go right here. I don't know where I'm going. I'm just the best at this. Are there scars in here? Are there golden weapons? You have a jetpack?
I'm dead.
Here,
I'm out.
I'm
dead. Yeah, I'm dead.
Yo, I'm in this.
We're not in the same thing.
We are?
No, we're not.
How do you know?
We're in the... And plus, you're a low ranker than me.
By 1!
What place am I in?
1200.
I'm in place 12.
Oh yeah, I got
13
the best
now.
weapon ever. How do you search chests?
You hit them with a shovel.
No, how do you search these chests?
You hit them with a shovel.
That's
You're a noob. You are a noob.
You search chests by hitting them with a shovel. Oh, I'm gonna take.
You get the weapons by just hitting the. You have to break them open.
I do.
Yes.
That seems easy. Oh my goodness, I don't know how to run.
I'm gonna do some parkour.
This is the most laggiest game I know of. Comment down below.
It's not laggy.
Comment down below. Hashtag this game's laggy.
You're not even recording. Why the heck are you even trying to say it?
Oh yeah, let's go. I got blue weapons, baby. Let's do up stuff.
Not until if somebody grabs them first, you dingus.
I can't grab it. Oh yeah, let's go. I'll kill everyone.
Okay, let's go in this parkour thing right now.
No one will ever kill me, dude. I got the best weapons in the game. Can you build on this? No.
Alright. Wham. Okay, wham. And we're here. And
I'm not the best player at this, and I started 3
You're not. You are not the best player.
Yeah, I am.
No, you're not. You can keep on saying that, but no, you're not.
Yo, bro, you think you could crawl and hide from me?
Because they're... Okay. Oh, flip. Ah! Regret nothing.
Boy, I gotta go kill this fool. Yo, get back here. Stop running from me. See, I'm the best. He knows I'm the best. That's why.
Just stop bragging. You're the best. Holy crap.
This guy needs to stay still.
I need to save right here because I don't know if I will die or not. Let me just jump over here. Oh, that guy died. I have 31. I almost
get back here.
Miscounted that.
Yo, why is this guy such a chicken? Why is he running from me?
Because people want to survive in the game, not die, you dingus.
Well, I want to die. Guess not.
Ah! No. Yeah, I died.
Oh, see, I'm better than you.
I didn't save. Alright, let me just land right here.
I split it up for my
Just stop saying you're the best.
Calm down and angel thing. Hashtag I'm the best. Make him rage. Oh yeah,
Let me say that again.
Oh yeah, I found the cheese. Now what's up? Oh yeah, hit that cheese. Hit that cheese. For real, more of those guns. I already have them.
Save right here because oh crap, I have to do more parkour. Alright.
Yeah.
This parkour is very easy. I had no idea what dang now I remember why I had a problem with it.
Cause it's too easy.
Alright, oh crap. I forgot. Ice. Okay, jump. Jump.
People?
No,
Partner, I'm coming. Partners, don't die.
It's easier if you look down.
Do you get Victory Royale?
I don't freaking know.
Why?
I haven't freaking beat that game.
There's cars, bro. Let's go.
You can't drive in those.
Well, they are.
You can't drive.
How can I show? What? I quit. I'm hitting rage. Yeah, see, you suck. You suck. Hashtag I suck.
something that we agree on.
Hashtag Andrew. Okay, now let me accept all these.
Just
people.
stop. You're just making a fool of yourself.
Join, add a friend. I'm adding all these people as my friend.
You can't.
Yeah, watch me.
There's over like 50 people you have to friend. Okay, no, I didn't save. There we go. No, I did.
Guys,
Flip, mother.
Leave.
Dang it.
You have 2 more hours until I go board boating. This is
freaking.
So boring.
Dang it.
I have to wait like 3 years, guys.
Just stop.
I'm gonna take a nap.
Ah, mother flipper. Okay, let's go in here again, and we are parkour.
Why are so much people terrible at this play? Yo, say hashtag.
Says the person that got killed. You wanna know something? You wanna know something? You got killed by a high ranker. At least I didn't get killed by a high ranker.
Well, when I get a high ranker, I'm gonna kill you.
Let me see.
How you? This guy in your high
1, 2, 3, go, 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 go. 1, 2, 3, go, 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 go. 1, 2, 3, go, 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 go.
This guy shows face.
Whoop.
Hashtag I'm 1v1v.
Just stop hashtagging everything.
1v1.
Hey.
V1 this guy.
Hey, well, Mega, stop.
Oh yeah, get wrecked.
Just stop hashtagging everything.
I just killed someone.
You're just making it.
I'm a high
stop.
ranker. I just killed someone.
Just stop.
I wonder what happens when you kill them. I wonder if they cry. Oh, still the same guy.
I'm freaking floating. Now I died.
Bro, you have a jetpack. How in the fuck did you get a jetpack?
Alright, and jump.
How did this guy get
I'm floating
jetpack?
again. I'm floating. I thought I fell. Whoop. That was the luckiest jump I ever did. Jump. Jump. I'm Mario. Okay. I remember this. This sucks. Let me see if I can get through this my first try.
Yo, get wrecked. I just destroyed you. How did he kill me? Yo, get your butt back here. 99. Guys, comment down hashtag I'm the beast. Look at bro, I'll get this no scope on this guy. I'm just gonna follow his pet. Lead me to your owner. Oh damn. Oh yeah, get wrecked. Hashtag you died, boy. Hashtag guys. This
just stop. You literally just. Never mind. Just stop. Just stop.
Times.
No, just stop.
Get out of here, boy.
Just stop.
Get out of here. Oh, yo, boy, you think you can mess with me? No one messes with me, my puppy. Yo, how does he have 2 HP? Oh yeah, I wrecked him. It's 1 to 2.
Okay, let me just.
Yo, I'm gonna go through teleportation.
All right.
Oh yeah, I won. She said victory. Hashtag I beat it, everyone.
Just. What did I just say about hashtagging?
Say, comment down below. Hashtag. Say 2 hashtags.
Hashtagger.
Comment down below. Hashtag Angel should start saying hashtag more.
I'm not saying freaking hashtag
Oh
anymore.
my god.
Just stop hashtagging crap.
This is my first time saying hashtag in my video and your video. Everyone say hashtag.
Ninja.
I'm about to fight a noob. He only has 12 coins.
Just stop. I'm done with you. I'm done. I'm stop.
Come on. Show your face. That's what I thought.
I died. Guys, we're about to beat the parkour level.
Bro, take off your
Ah, crap. Alright. Why am I failing so hard, bad at this? Okay, now I failed.
What?
Yep.
Hashtag, this guy's a noob.
Just, oh my flippin' lord.
This guy's a camper. Where
Just stop hashtagging.
Where's this camper at?
You are a noob.
Where's this camper at?
Just stop hashtagging.
Hashtag, where's this camper at?
Right, finish.
Oh, bro. I go downstairs.
Oh, crap. No regrets.
Yo, get wrecked. I just got a lucky snipe on you.
Ah, flip. Alright, guys, that's the end of the video. You guys...
Hashtag, comment down. Hashtag, please.
Alright, guys.
Hashtag, Comment down. My dog died. It's sad.
Alright, subscribe, leave this video a like.
And say comment down hashtag boss died. Cause seriously, my dog did die.
Okay, I have no idea where that came from, but alright. You guys have a good one. You guys have a hacking good time, okay? Bye.
I'll never have a